My name, if you don't watch the videos, is Mike Carpino. I am in my 8th year in the real estate industry, and I absolutely love it. The cliche is you love helping people find their first house, or you love helping people move with their largest asset. This is all true. I love people. I love to talk, obviously, as I make a ton of videos, and it's very hard for me to turn this switch off. But I got into real estate because I have a really huge passion for sales. When I was just finishing high school and in university, I was working a sales job selling fitness equipment, both corporately and in-house to people if they're looking to set up a home gym potentially. And I really found a passion for sales. It wasn't the specific item at the time, although I was into fitness. I really found the passion for talking to people, finding what made them tick. Why were they actually there for that specific item? Yes, it was to get in shape, but there's always something that leads to that moment. Did they have a experience where somebody said something to them that finally triggered that aha moment of, I really, really should start taking better care of myself? Maybe they had a family member or a friend experience something tragic, and that triggered it as well. I really loved finding out more about people and what makes them tick, which is why real estate was great for me as well. I love to talk to people. I love to learn why they want something specific. Yes, we all want a house. We all need a roof over our heads, but why do you need something that somebody else doesn't? I love learning about your families because my family is a huge part of mine. And if we can have that relatable item, it's going to make our process so much more fun together. That is for certain. I'm going to understand when your kid does something crazy at a showing if they have to come. And likewise, we're going to be able to, vent about something that we went through throughout the day with our kid. Now, beyond real estate, I went to school for environmental studies at York University. This degree not being used for anything nowadays, but going to university provided me with the opportunity to meet some great people. I met some great friends at university, and it gave me a sense of commitment. Although I wasn't the best student because I wasn't as interested in the topics that we were covering, it did hold me accountable for attending class, doing my projects, although I might have got some more help from friends than I might have needed. It was something that helped propel me to working for myself. When I started real estate, I quit my job cold turkey. I was making good money in the fitness industry. However, I just wasn't getting that itch scratched anymore. And sales was an obvious passion for me. But my father had been in real estate as I was growing up as a kid. And he actually cautioned me to, really consider not going into real estate because it's not a career that's as predictable for some. It's a stressful job, and it has hours that people might not like, especially if they do have families. All of these things considered, I was in my mid-20s, and I said, thanks, I appreciate it, but I'm probably going to go that route. So I quit my job cold turkey, got my real estate license, and the rest is history. I struggled for my first year. Very, very, very difficult time. I spent tons of time, 40 hours a week, knocking on doors, trying to get new clients, meet new people, and it really put me on my ass. Unfortunately, for all those people who said no, they actually propelled me to be the agent and the person that I am today. When you are pushed and knocked down so many consecutive times, you're going to have no choice but to bounce back and to continue forward to prove those people wrong, that they made maybe the wrong decision in not choosing you to work with them, or maybe just saying something to you that was very unnecessary when they did knock, or saying something that was very unnecessary when you knocked on their door and they answered. As it is, I'm 8 years in the industry. I'm not going anywhere. It's a fantastic job to have, and it allows me to really get into my passion, which is talking with people, learning more about them, and sharing any value that I can, which is why I've created this YouTube channel. I hope this video gave you a little bit of insight on who's running the channel, what I'm into personally, how I ended up in real estate, and what makes me tick. And that is my family and communicating with my clients. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. We'll be back to your regular scheduled programs in the following videos. Have a great day.